Hello, good evening, and welcome back to one of my notes about life insurance. But today, instead of me talking about what I think on life insurance, I would like to bring you some notes and quotes from experts on the matter and their opinion about life insurance, the different types of life insurance, why life insurance is important, why life insurance is actually a need, not only then, but on this time right now. When I mean then is because some magazines that I'm going to mention here are actually dated 2009 and 2010. But what caught my attention is that it's still now in 2021, we still have the same need. Let me begin with a magazine that I got from American Airlines Credit Union in 2009 when I used to work for the airlines. And it said, when hard time comes, the first thing they tend to cut is our insurance. Meaning when hard times comes to us, like whatever, like what we're living now, the pandemic, the first thing that a family tends to cut is life insurance. Not knowing how important life insurance is for the family. Not knowing that life insurance is actually the base of a financial house that every family should have. On the magazine also, there's a person by the name of Jack Hundelman, author of Insurance for Dummies, who said, if you want to take a risk, then take it on areas where you won't be ruined by going out of coverage. In other words, he says, make sure that if you want to have cuts in your budget, life insurance cannot be the first one to cut, because you never know when you're going to need it. What type of life insurance is best for me? He says term life insurance. And he gives a reason. He says term life insurance is the simplest and it's also the less expensive. It's the simplest and the less expensive. There's also another magazine, GQ.com magazine in 2010. And it says Rules of Personal Finance. It says, even if you have free life insurance in your job, you should get more. On my videos, I have videos about why you should get more life insurance, even if you have life insurance through your job. I invite you to go through my channel and look at the videos about that explanation. From Personal Finance from Dummies, it says, in comparing life insurance with cash value life insurance, I'm going to tell you how you can save hours, time, and thousands of dollars. Get ready? Buy term life insurance. He continues there saying that term life insurance is pure life insurance. By that I mean it's only covering life insurance. That's the purpose of life insurance. The purpose of medical insurance is to cover you when you're sick or when you need to go to the doctor. The purpose of a car insurance is to cover you if you get into a car accident. The purpose of a house insurance of your residence is to cover you in case you have a loss because of a hurricane or something like that. So the same thing goes for life insurance. It keeps going and it says cash value life insurance has a big catch. For the same amount of coverage, cash value policy costs about 8 times more than term life insurance. 8 times more than term life insurance. I don't know if you have heard about Susie Orman, a financial advisor. And she says whole life is a waste of money. She also mentions life insurance doesn't have to last forever. You only need life insurance for a period of your life, not for the whole term of your life. Term life insurance helps combat family from financial fears. Another financial advisor is Dave Ramsey. He said, what type of life insurance is the right for me? he answers that question with, the only type of life insurance we recommend is to get term life insurance. It is not only cheaper than other permanent types of life insurances. It allows you to invest the difference in the retirement accounts, and it also expires right around the time you no longer need it. So he goes a little bit deeper into this. He says, buy term life insurance, and if you have more money, okay, so put the difference into the retirement account. It gives you a better return. And term life insurance will expire around the time when you no longer need life insurance. The final note that I have is from another financial advisor, Spanish. He's a financial advisor for CNN in Spanish. His name is Xavier. And he has a book that is called Ask Xavier, Pregúntale a Xavier. And he says, life insurance doesn't have to be expensive. He also says term life insurance has a lower premium. It costs less than whole life insurance. The coverage of term life insurance is higher. In other words, the cost of term life insurance is lower, but the coverage is higher. Because other life insurance have investment in it, it costs even higher. And I mentioned before, sometimes it costs more than 8 times as life insurance, term life insurance is. If you want to get more information, I invite you to look at my videos, look at my page on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and there's more notes in there about it. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.